Do you know the word behind is quite different from the word back? Whenever two objects are attached to each other, then the right word to use would be back at the back. But when two objects are detached from each other, then the right word to be used will be behind. For example, he parked his car behind mine. Now, his car and mine aren't attached, so the right word will be behind. Now, look at this. Keep your luggage in the boot at the back of my car. Now, my boot, the, the boot of my car is actually attached to my car, so the right word will be at the back. Look at another example. Let's say in a classroom, a student misbehaves, and in order to punish that student, I ask the student to go stand at the back of the class. So I will say, John, stand up, go to the back of the class, and stand for some minutes. John, stand up, go to the back of the class, and stand for some minutes. The back of the class, because the back of the class is still attached to the classroom. But if I left an item, my bag, on the playground, just behind the building, school building, I would say I left my bag behind this school building. I hope you learned something new today. Please subscribe to this channel, share this video, like the video, and remember to hit the notification bell so that when new videos are uploaded, you will be notified. Thank you, and God bless you.